this video I will show you how to download and install MetaTrader 4 for Forex trading. Basically what you'll be doing here is you'll be downloading MetaTrader 4 for a demo account. So what you need to do is you need to go to Google and type in MT4 download, which will take you to metatrader4.com, and then you download MetaTrader 4. You download it to your desktop. As soon as it's downloaded, then you just double click on it, and then it will take you to the installation guide. It's taking a bit longer to open. Let's just wait for it. There we go. So you click next, and then it will install, and then once it's done installing, you click finish. It will then open up the MetaTrader on your desktop. See, my computer is taking a while to do that. Let's just wait. Okay, here we go. So there's your MetaTrader 4 installed. If you want to change the interface, because normally when it installs, it will appear like this. So what I would do in cases like this, I would go to chart and chart shift, so that I know where all the candles are. And then I go to properties, and then I change the candle bars. The bar up should be lime, the bar down is red, bull candle lime, bear candle red. And then I install indicators. The moving average, basically it just shows you whether your trend is going up or down. And then I also like having the parabolic SAR, which also shows you which way your trend is going. So there you are, MetaTrader 4 installed, and the next installment will be how to start your trading with your MetaTrader 4. This is a demo account, which is the best for you to practice on before you actually go and have a live account. So see you in the next chapter.